Hi and welcome. Today I received this package. It's a USB soldering iron. It's USB, so it's powered with 5 volts. It's got 8 watts of power and it has a long life tip. So let's unbox it. Again, first away. USB cable, stand, some soldering wick. No, not soldering wire. That again go away because I use my own. Again, trash. Okay. It heat ups in less than 50 seconds, cool down in less than 30 seconds, and it got a long life tip with a protective cap. And I guess this is the protective cap. Yes, it is. Looks sturdy, so that looks good. Okay, slightly press the metal point in the body of the soldering pen, then the LED light will be lighted up and the job can start it. If stopped working, please press the metal point on the body of the soldering pen, then the LED will turn off and the iron is off. And always wear protection when using hand tools. Okay. And the tip can be replaced easily. Okay then. I will connect the USB soldering iron to my USB power. Okay. It's got a jack mono. Okay, 5 volts. Let's see if it works. And we've got a blue LED, so it's working. I will let it heat it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to solder a wire, this wire, to this DIN connector. Maybe I can put it over here so you can see it better. Yeah, so it seems good to me. See if it's already heated up enough. We've got some smoke. No, let's still wait for a little moment. Yeah, it's smoking. Smoke. Because I don't want to inhale the smoke from the soldering, wire. I have a flume extractor, so all smoke will go into that device and it will filter through a carbon filter. Okay, let's test it and see if it works and can do the job I bought it for little things when I'm on the road. Okay, that looks good. Put some solder onto the pin. Now I'm going to try to put the wire into the pin. That looks good. And now the other one. Sorry for the noise in the background, but that's for my health. And that one looks also good. Yeah, it's pretty good. That works. So I'm going to desolder the wire and then I can turn off the foam extractor. Hmm. Go and free. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, with the last desoldering you saw that it was it was not heated up enough to get the wire from the pin, but yeah, it also happens with other soldering devices, but yeah, it's only 8 watts. So what do you want? Okay, they told me in the manual if I press this button again it will turn off, and that works. So I think it's good, and I think it's handy to take it on the road when I'm going to a retro meeting, and I can put it in my toolbox, which I'm carrying to those meetings. If someone asks me to fix something minor, I can do it with this one, and I don't have to take my bigger normal soldering station with me. So that works. It doesn't cool down within 30 seconds, I can tell you. It's still hot. Too hot. So I will put it there and rest it and let it rest for a moment, and then I put the cap on the iron again, and then I can put it away. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you can use this information if you want to buy a device like this. It's very cheap. It's around 8 around 10 US dollars, including shipping from China. So, and maybe it was $8, so it's very cheap and it's very handy, I think. But yeah, the future will tell me how long this this will live and will work. But for now, it looks good. Thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Bye.